system is a very unique and difficult subject to study on. So me and my group today will be discussing it with our miniature that we built so that hopefully we can study it a little bit more easier. Today we provided 8 facts about our 8 planets in our solar system. Our group consists of Ratna,
Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun and has a surface full of holes created by meteor impacts. Mercury has a very long day, which is 176 Earth days, but it only takes 88 Earth days to go around the Sun. Daytime temperatures on Mercury's surface can reach up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit or 427 degrees Celsius, but at night temperatures can drop to minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit or minus 180 degrees Celsius.
Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It is known as the Earth's twin planet because it is almost the same size as the Earth. However, Venus has an extremely hot surface temperature, reaching about 860 degrees Fahrenheit or 460 degrees Celsius, and its atmosphere is composed of toxic gases that makes it uninhabitable to live for humans.
Earth, the third planet from the Sun, is a fascinating and complex planet with parts. The Earth has distinct parts, including the lithosphere that consists of the solid crust and upper mantle and is divided into tectonic plates, which is an asthenosphere that move and cause earthquakes and volcanoes. The atmosphere is the layer of air surrounding Earth and is important for weather, climate, and supporting life. The hydrosphere includes all the water on Earth, such as oceans, lakes, rivers, and influences climate and sustains life. The biosphere is all organisms and their environments, from deep oceans to high mountains. Understanding and protecting these different layers of Earth are crucial for the well-being of our planet and its inhabitants.
Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun, is known as the red planet because of its reddish surface. Mars has 2 natural satellites, namely Phobos and Deimos, and has a thin and cold atmosphere. A number of space probes have been sent to explore the planet, including the Perseverance robot launched by NASA in 2020 to search for signs of life in Mars.
Jupiter is the 5th planet from the Sun and is also the largest planet in the solar system. It has many moons, including 4 large moons known as the Galilean moons. Jupiter also has strong magnetic forces and has many giant storms that can be seen from Earth, including the Great Red Storm, which has lasted for several hundred years.
Saturn, the 6th planet from the Sun, is known for its beautiful ring of ice and dust. Saturn has more than 80 natural satellites, including the moon Titan, which has a thick atmosphere and is a NASA and ESA exploration target.
Uranus, the 7th planet from the Sun in our solar system, is a fascinating planet with intriguing facts. An example of a quality that stands out is its axis that is tilted at an extreme angle of approximately 98 degrees, causing it to essentially roll on its side as it orbits the Sun. This axial tilt gives rise to peculiar seasons on Uranus, where each pole experiences 42 years of continuous sunlight followed by 42 years of darkness. So these seasons on Uranus are very different from what we experience on Earth. Uranus is also known for its pretty blue-green color. This is because its atmosphere has methane gas, which absorbs red light and reflects blue-green light. Even though it's far away, scientists have discovered a lot about Uranus, like its 27 moons and its thin rings. Exploring Uranus helps us learn more about the amazing universe we live in.
Neptune, the most distant planet in the solar system, has a very thick atmosphere and very strong storms, including the Great Blue Storm, which is similar to Jupiter. Neptune has 14 moons, including the Triton, which has an icy surface and maybe have an ocean beneath its surface.
Thank you for listening about our presentation about the miniature of solar system that is made by us. That's all from us. Thank you.